Ner mala kenyam biya kamal kanor online TV channel. Ner me wekaya. Bana rache shalat thiaaŋ akir me yadit bana jalinkel. Kir me yadit kashanga wel kapay diok ron kinna dangro wirjan dangro wirdich. Take a quarter cha watch re kumaka kana kon bana linke ban roiten. Ngai kona baka joga ishuwa tega kwara cha wojbo ki kwara cha nyogo mukwanyaga antama cha kwara cha woj la minister which ka South Sudan to take a position to dit bana jaleng ka jan la rame ka do bana shin ma cha toga mi jirama jidit kanor online TV channel go rejeno jinder subscribe twine notification bell ko blare cho mala shubkuje ko comment mete ka charm dere mat ku je share bo ne ko ken ban lera me ban je chuling kenya ban je linka thoknath ko kora ban je linka thok english Kir me yadit che minister dang jok chaka jo chere kware tin tekaten ministry kalatin kontin let ka parliament ki kwara ditre wi ka South Sudan te ka let dit tekaten chaka woch thiaaŋ chala do nene charam me cha jo woch awut deng ashwil cha jo woch na ko do branan chalat ke jo kwasame again awut deng ashwil a minister of general education la kwadul gorgo mendire wi ka South Sudan Ruben Madol Arol minister of justice and constitutional affair jen gwadan leretin lereka ngot Ruben Madol che George Ramadian gwasame che George Joseph Mam Majak min lere la minister of trade and industry lereka Muktaf Nyagasa che jenyok mu joja jaba kan minister dang dokoti che ga jojan tamre kwara la kwara kene kon tekaten gwadame chalado kan duir tin chicken kalat ki ngochi to ko mo Kir me yadit kamo re kwar kon tekaten kana kon lat telemi chalaten so cha woy ni ka bes ka do ran chalat kenya chalado nene Kir dismisses 3 minister in mini cabinet reshuffle. South Sudan President Salva Kiir dismissed 3 national ministers on Monday in a mini cabinet reshuffle amid ongoing political tension with his first vice president, Dr. Riek Machar. The surprise move, announced in a presidential decree broadcast on state television, removed Awut Deng Ashwil as Minister of General Education, Ruben Madol Arol as Minister of Justice and Constitutional Affairs, and Joseph Mam Majak as Minister of Trade and Industry. No official explanation was provided for the dismissals. Ms. Awut and Mr. Madol had held their position since 2020. Ms. Awut, a veteran official, previously led ministries overseeing gender, child welfare and labor. Mr. Majak, who was appointed Trade Minister in July 2024, was replaced after less than a year in the role. President Salva Kiir Mayardit named Dr. Wek Mamerkol, a former deputy cabinet minister who served before the civil war erupted in 2013, as the new justice minister. Atong Kolmanyang, daughter of senior presidential advisor General Kolmanyang, was elevated from deputy governor of Jonglei State to trade minister. Dr. Kuyok Abul Kuyok, an author and academic who had overseen policy at the education Minister and the Secretary since 2019, will now serve as the Education Minister in South Sudan. The reshuffle follow a pattern of frequent minister turnover under President Kiir Mayardit, who has used his executive power to replace officials sometime within a month of their appointment. Last week, President Kiir appointed Dr. Regai Cook, a member of the SPLM, as the governor of Jonglei State, a position originally allocated to the opposition South Sudan Opposition Alliance, or SWA, under a 2018 peace agreement. A revised 2023 deal transferred the role to Kiir's SPLM party in exchange for offering Swa a deputy governor position or national minister post. In the Transitional National Legislative Assembly, Kiir revoked the appointment of 3 lawmakers from Northern Barghazal, a state representing the Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition, SPLM-IO. Those affected were Bak Deng Nyang, Akech Fabio Goy, and Chandeng Maror. They were replaced by John Attack, Garang Machar, Deng Nyawel Dio, and Wol Kwachwol. The president also revoked the appointment of SPLM-IO lawmakers from Northern Barghazal in the state parliament, including Awaya Makwe, Victor Wol, Got, Bola Kumakum, Deng Wol Dio, and Teresa Awak Adup. They were replaced by Ajar Mataya, Majok Pul Mayen, Lungar Aror, Maria Akum, and James Jemden. Additionally, Kiir replaced Attack Garang Akech from the SPLM-IO with Bola Akum as Minister for Local Government and Law Enforcement Agencies. Jen Rajadan inshallah me Kiir ma yadi tene dang dok to ministers chaka wochre which ka South Sudan thiaaŋ ka shanka wel ka pai diok ron kina dangro wide jen dangro wide dich janan gorde nyo yakel mi jiram jedit kanor online tv channel naka jen o jende subscribe jen support and tab kanor online tv channel ene biata kamal ban nyo jigal rodien bye bye.